Okay, so today I have another one of those KitchenAid fridges that the bottom hinge for the door breaks. So basically this door has broken. It's fairly common. I've seen it in the past, and this door is around between 7 and 900, and I believe is not available usually, so it can take months to wait for it. So we're gonna do again what we have done in the past, which is make some custom repair here to make it work and save the client a lot of money. Okay, so the first thing that I have done, or what I carry sometimes, those bunch of different plates and stuff in my car just for those situations, and I have designed, so for anybody who wants to do it in the future, I designed here a hinge for myself, so I eventually put it onto the fridge, and that will work just like the original hinge, and even better, that will probably not break. And so that's the first step that I did. Now I'm going to start cutting it with my Dremel and design it exactly for what I need, and so that will be the next step. Okay, so basically the plate is designed, and I know it might not look the best, definitely not going to win the beauty contest, but I designed a new plate. So now this tin is all the way sitting inside. I put some extra screws, and then I cover it with some tape. Yes, not the most aesthetical, but it's gonna save them about $1,000, and I'm sure they will be happy with that. So basically right now it's probably even better than the way it was before. Okay, the job is complete, and so that's the door is all installed. That's how it's gonna look on the side. Well, like I said, it's not gonna win the beauty contest, but the door works, and I think that's what's important. So opening, closing, no problems. The seal is all nice and sealed, so we have no issues here. Client is going to be happy.